Hi, welcome back. Jay here. In the second part of this tutorial, we'll be working on the final setup, including a few readjustments, embellishments, and the final export. Sit tight and stay with me. Thank you. So I observed some white fringes on the Xmas tree. I contracted the selection by 1 pixel to delete the fringes. I made the subject image relatively large to create more focus on their faces. In the process, I needed to create more spaces for their names. Here I observed that the script text in the title wasn't quite legible. I had to change the glow to a thick outline on the text to increase legibility. Here I included some pop lights, or you could call them sparks, I got from Google to enhance the design. They usually come in a black background, but setting your blend mode to any of the screen blend mode family clears out the black background, leaving the lights. I brushed in some custom lighting to enhance the attraction towards the title using linear light and overlay blend mode. The subject's name wasn't so legible, so I brushed in a section under the name. The colors on the subject appears distracting, so I made it neutral, that is black and white. I always tidy up my layers. You never know when you will need to make edits in the future or send a file to someone. I used color lookups to add some mood to the colors in the design. It's more like color grading an image. Also, I reduced the saturation by -20 so that the colors are not shouty or loud when previewed on phone. It won't be too different from the print version as well. Printing mutes vibrant colors, so usually I just mute them by myself so that they will not be too different from each other. And finally, I export a preview for my client to request adjustments if needed. Usually this is at a smaller size, not the original resolution. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.